The generator company charges a $200 delivery fee and a rental fee of $1,500 per day. Find an expression relating total charge to the number of days for which the generator is hired. So our first step for A will be what we need to do is we need to define the variables. So I'm going to say they want to find the relating total charge and the number of days. So that's the two variables. So I'm going to say let C be the charge, let C be the total charge, and the number of days, and T be the number of days. Hired. So I have C and T. Now I want to find a relationship. So my total charge depends on what? First of all, there's going to be a delivery fee. Doesn't matter what, if I have it for 1 hour, I still have to pay the $200. So the $200 is going to be fixed, $200. And the rental fee will be $1,500 per day. So it will be plus the rate of $1,500 per day times the number of days. And we said the number of days is T. Now you could have made this anything you want to, as long as you do write down what it is. So that is A done. That's the expression. That's not an expression. This is an equation. An expression doesn't have an equal sign. So this question is wrong. Find an equation relating total charge to the number of days. In B, they ask us sketch a graph of the relation. So if I draw that on the graph, I'm really going to do it very roughly. If they give us graph paper, you can do it on graph paper. But to draw this, I'm going to do the following. C depends, so time is independent, so T is going to be down here, and charge is going to be up there. It starts at 200, so I'm going to go 100, 200, or 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,002, 1,004, 1,006, 1,800. The number of days will be day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. I know that my y-intercept, if t equals 0, c equals 200. So when t is 0, c is 200. And we said that's 200. If you need another point, you can either work with the gradient, which is 1,500, or you can say when time is 1, c equals, and I can substitute 1 in there. 1,500 times 1, so substitute 1 in there. 1,500 plus 2 is 2,000, is 1,700. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8,000, 2, 4, 6, 7. So it's right up there. I'm going to use a ruler. I've got this weird ruler here. And that will be the graph. What would be the charge for 4 weeks of rental? Now, you can see that 4 weeks will be over there, which means I'll have to go all the way up there if I want to use my, if I wanted to use my graph. So what I can do is, because I have this, I can just say for C, what would be the charge? Charge will be 200 plus, and I'll just substitute for T 4 weeks. Now 4 weeks is 28 days. 28 days. 4 weeks equals, 4 weeks is 4 times 7 equals 28. And if I do that to my calculator, the answer is 42,200. Now I don't have space here, unfortunately, or fortunately I don't have space, but you need to have a worded answer. So the answer would be $42,200.